Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to prepare egg soup. So guys can see this is onion and this is egg. I have 2 pieces of egg and this is stock cube, that is season. So you break your egg inside the onion, slice your onion, you break your egg, then you add pinch of salt and mix them together. So this is egg soup. You can use it and eat swallow. So you add your seasoning. You can add your seasoning. Wow, you add your seasoning. I use 2 pieces of egg. You can use more than that. You have plenty. So guys can see. So guys can see you use palm oil, that is red oil, in your pan. Put it on the fire. You allow the oil to hot a little bit. Then you add your fresh pepper. And see, fresh pepper. The oil is not hot, but you allow it to hot a little bit. Then you add your fresh pepper. Then you mix. Then you mix it. And see, egg soup. You do it, use it and use your swallow, and make your curry, make your semo, make your pando, anything. See the egg, you now pour the egg. This is egg soup. Pour the egg, then you continue stirring it. You allow it to settle small, then you started stirring it. Big spoon. Can see? You cook it, it just look like egusi soup. The only difference that you won't add leaf. So if you use palm oil to make your egg soup, the face look like egusi. So you use it and you swallow. Can see? If you like, you add ugu. If you like, you leave it like this. But I prefer it like this. No, this is student power. Students use when you dey body school. You look up, you look down, you don't know what to do. You carry it, you do your soup and do your eba and whack it. Then food. Life continue. So we use it well for school. So that's how I want to show you guys. So if you don't know how to use egg to use swallow, learn it now. It's very, very delicious and it's very, very sweet. Egg soup. You add little water so that you allow it to dawn well. You allow it to dawn like 10 to 15 minutes so that the egg is done. Add seasoning. So when you add water, you add seasoning again so that the taste will come out. If you taste them, the seasoning didn't come out, you add more seasoning, add more pepper so that the taste will come out, you like it. See, you cook like egusi. See how you did like egusi soup. You know that is egg soup. Wow. Wow. It's very, very delicious. You add small ugu, but if you like, you leave it plain like this. You like, you add ugu, but now I'm adding ugu. The thing will just be like I'm cooking egusi soup. You know that is egg soup. Wow, can see? Maybe look like egusi soup. Wow, that is good. It's very delicious. Really, really delicious. Wow. I love it. Wow, so you guys can see. Egg soup. It's settled, it's done. Can see? Wow, 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 wow. I love it. See, it's delicious. We use fried oil. Wow, 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 wow. See my egg soup and see my gari eba. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see the soup? Look very yummy. It look very yummy. Wow. Can see? Can make your pounded yam, pando yam, semo, or anything that you like to take eat it. And if you do it, if you want to put meat, protein, you can also put protein. Wow. Sweet, very, very delicious. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. It's delicious food. So guys can see, this is how we prepare egg soup. So you can do it. You can see how my sister is eating, enjoying it. I'll join it very soon. Let me finish my video. I'll join very, very soon. Can eat it and leave me. I'll follow it and eat. Very, very delicious and yummy. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. You can, if you do it like this, you can also use it and eat your boiled yam. You can use it and eat anything, either yam, fried yam, boiled yam, even rice. Can use it and eat it. This is egg soup. They call it egg soup. So it's a simple menu. Buy your egg. Can buy many as you want egg to do. Can do the plenty quantity you want. Make your egg, your onion, pepper, season, palm oil, do everything and prepare your egg soup and you'll be eating it and enjoying it. Thanks for watching. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. I always tell you, anything I do, I would like to share with you people because I love you people. As you people love me too, I love you guys. Bye.